on Meangadh TV. Sign of the times. Woo! Well, I don't agree with your campaign ads, your published rants, your second chance. I'd more than likely step all over your grave. And I don't concede that all is lost, and the only answer is armored force, a mighty cause, TV specials in the fall. And I'd answer yes to all above, and if a one man's opinion ain't enough, well, it's something nice to tell the grandchildren. And still, what's more, it ain't a war, it's been fought and lost and won before, and I yet to be born. I guess it's just a sign of the times. At least I guess that's how it's always been. You confessed yours, I committed mine. Oh, I guess it keeps things interesting. And I don't profess to prophesize and nor commit to tell no lies, for it's only now I've realized what it is that I've lost sight, and pretty soon I'll know the price, but I'd sooner pay in cash for all my sins. Oh, now you know it's hard to win, it's how it is and how it's been. Life will trip you up just for trying. But thanks so much for your donation. Each lunch I spend negotiating, now traipsing down the gauntlet of goodwill. I guess it's just a sign of the times. At least I guess that's how it's always been. You confessed yours, I committed mine. Oh, I guess it keeps things interesting. For each and every flowering nation, consensus of each population, a tried and tested method, one and all. We made amends and bartered trends, no means to celebrate our ends, rescued from the virgin tongue of exile. Opinion swayed and freedom's owned, your future destined to unfold, your soul left out smoking in the wet. For all the power there's ever been has come and gone and come again, and left a colder heart in he who holds it. I guess it's just a sign of the times. At least I guess that's how it's always been. You confessed yours, I committed mine. Oh, I guess it keeps things interesting. Oh, I guess it keeps things interesting. Lord, I guess it keeps things interesting. Good meal, good.